Volkswagen Touareg appears conspicuously good value for money when you consider that it uses the same mechanical package as the vastly more expensive Porsche Cayenne, as well as the recently replaced original Audi Q7. As you'd expect from Volkswagen these days, the cabin of the Touareg is classy and beautifully made. The door is close with a reassuringly solid clunk and the seats are big, broad and hugely comfortable. All the basics are right too, from the clear instrument dials and neatly arranged switchgear to the widely adjustable driving position. A big, bright, 8-inch touchscreen takes pride of place in the center of the Touareg's dashboard. But while it's simple enough to use, there's no getting away from the fact that it's a generation behind the one you'd get in a Volkswagen Golf, a car that costs a fraction of the price. By way of compensation, the system features a 60GB hard drive preloaded with 3D sat-nav, and incorporates an SD card reader. It also includes Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make hands-free calls and stream music wireless from your smartphone. Plus, drivers and passengers can hook up their mobile to the system using the USB connection under the armrest. In addition to the touchscreen operation, there are steering wheel controls for the infotainment system. Buyers have only one engine to choose from in the Volkswagen Touareg, and it's the same excellent 3.0-liter V6 TDI diesel you'll find in various Audis, as well as other VW Group models. Recent revisions have raised power to 201 bhp in the basic SE and R line models or a significantly more useful 258 bhp in the Escape version. That more powerful engine is available as an option in the SE and R line trims. Even the 258 bhp diesel may sound as if it's going to struggle in an off-road weighing nearly 2.2 tons, but the massive 580 Nm torque output should provide plenty of reassurance. Go for the lower-powered model and you still get an impressive 450 Nm, which should be sufficient in gear punch for overtaking on the motorway or pulling up a steep, muddy bank off-road. All versions of the Touareg wear the Blue Motion technology badge, so in theory this big, hefty SUV benefits from the same kind of eco-features that allow a Volkswagen Passat Blue Motion to claim 65 miles per gallon fuel economy. These include low rolling resistance tires, a stop-start system and a coasting function for the automatic gearbox. Certainly the latest model is a bit greener than the original Touareg was. The cleanest 201 bhp model emits 173 grams/km of CO2, while the output is only 1 gram/km higher for the sportier 258 bhp SE or R-Line versions. Officially, Volkswagen says that owners can achieve as much as 42.8 miles per gallon fuel economy out of the engine, but you'll be lucky to do better than 30 miles per gallon in the real world. And if most of your driving is around town, your average returns will be closer to 25 miles per gallon. The boot is massive no matter how you look at it, but you can adjust it to maximize rear passenger comfort or maximize luggage capacity. The rear seat backs can be reclined, so boot space effectively expands from 580 liters to 679 liters.